Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete Workspace here in Trello. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Trello, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Deleting a workspace in Trello is a straightforward process that is considered a significant action that permanently removes all boards, lists, cards, and data associated with that workspace. But I suggest that it's important to ensure that you have backed up any necessary data before proceeding. Okay? So here's how you can delete the workspace. First option is go here on the left side panel of your dashboard. There's going to be the workspace settings. Click on that. And I need you to hover down below where you can find the delete this workspace. When I say it's a simple process, it really is simple. It's a walk in the park, really. Now, you just need to enter the workspace name, and that's going to be the Andy's Guides. Okay, if you don't know the workspace, just enter. But you have to read and understand all the information first. I highly suggest you do, because this is permanent and can't be undone. All boards in this workspace will be closed. Board admins can reopen boards, obviously. Board members will now be able to interact with closed boards. And of course, just enter the workspace name to delete. All right, it's a straightforward process. And all you're gonna do is click this button right here, delete workspace. And there you go. Your workspace has been deleted. All right. Now, if in case you encounter any problems or issues deleting a specific workspace here on Trello account, because that happened to me in the past, what I did was I went here on the upper right corner. I went to help. And what I did was I went to ask to one of the customer support. So I went to the contact support center. And then I believe it's going to be a technical issue. Maybe the site is down or having a server issues, or I don't know, it could be a bug. But the thing is, choose the product with, and that's going to be, that should be with Trello. All right. You can explore community, and of course you can view some documentations. But if you get a hold of one of the support staff, tell them you are having problems deleting your workspace here on your Trello account, and they would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to potentially fix the problem. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.